In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Jurassic World Evolution 2 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before you start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, then we are going to search up this game before we can continue to another website to download it. So we will go to the Steam website and then we will continue to another website, so don't worry. So search up the game Jurassic World Evolution 2 and select the game. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is €59.99 at Steam. Very expensive, but we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now what you need to do is search the same game Jurassic World Evolution 2 and then select it. Once you have searched for it, then select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. So what we have two options. If you are normally downloading your games through Steam, then you can search for a Steam option. If you are normally downloading your games through Epic Games, then you can search for the Epic Games option. What we will do, we will go for the Steam option because I always use Steam to download my games. Now what we need to do is basically search for a PC version, and this text needs to be marked green so it can be activated in our country, and look for the platform. As you can see, this is the Epic Games option and this is the Steam option. Both are marked green and both are PC versions. So we will go for the Steam version over here, which can be activated, and then select it. Now once you have clicked on it, then you will find out that this game is already available for just €6.92 compared to the Steam price of €59.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. So what you need to do is purchase this game through this website, and after that you will receive an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC without overpaying, of course. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!